guys, today we are making fresh kimchi, aka gochugaru in Korean. I'm cutting my cabbage that I usually do for my gochugaru. Gochugaru has a little different cut of the napa cabbage. If you cannot find napa cabbage, you can use regular cabbage too, but the texture obviously will be a little different, but it will still work. So anyways, I'm cutting my cabbage nice and long, kind of random shape. So this is how my mom cuts her napa cabbage when she makes gochugaru. So what you do is quarter the cabbage and then take this stem part out. And then the small ones, you can just keep it whole because gochugaru usually kind of little longer and bigger pieces of cabbage, like so. And like little bigger ones like that, maybe cut in half or third. And the beauty of the gochugaru, the cutting this way, that every single one of them has like slightly different shape and it's really fun to eat. And just hold your cabbage nice and tidy and using your sharp knife and just going to slice like that. Or if you're too scared of doing this or your kid is helping in your kitchen, then you can just slice it like so on the cutting board, like that. Obviously, this is a lot more fun to me, so this is what I'm gonna do. Right now, let's make our salted water. So you will need 3 cups of cold water in here. We're gonna melt half cup of Korean kimchi sea salt. So this is like super coarse sea salt. If you don't have this one, you need to use 1/3 cup of regular fine sea salt, okay? Stir until the salt is dissolved in the water. Now let's pour this over the cabbage. Press down with your hand like so and let the cabbage soak in salted water for 1 hour. And in the halfway, about 30 minutes in, go ahead and flip over the cabbage upside down so the cabbage will soak evenly. While the cabbage is soaking, I'm going to make the sauce for gochugaru. Gochugaru sauce is so much easier than regular fermented kimchi sauce. It's almost like making salad dressing. So you need 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 8 tablespoons of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes. I will put the link down below where you can find Korean red pepper flakes online. When you're making kimchi, please do not substitute gochugaru to something else because it is a key ingredient as the spicy parts, the color for the kimchi and all that stuff. So make sure you get gochugaru for Korean kimchi, okay? All right, in here, let's add 2 tablespoons of yondu. This is a Korean fermented vegetable sauce. So this has been my fish sauce substitute. 1 tablespoon of Korean soup soy sauce or Tamari soy sauce. They are salty, but they are super light in color. So it's not gonna change our kimchi color into something really dark brown, kind of ugly color, you know what I mean? We want our kimchi to be nice and bright and red. 3 tablespoons of Maesilaek, Korean green plum extract. I will put the link down below in the description box where you can find this Maesilaek exactly. You can find one really easily at Korean grocery store too. I'll mix everything together.
Falling in love, not falling out. Each of us both down in the sun. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that the right to be nice. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fussing on fights, we'll keep and trust. And you make me wanna say,
Add all the sauce.
I love you better today than yesterday.
Grab one of the cabbage leaves, wipe it out, your spoon, and also your bowl too. And there's not much left, but we can get some out of it. Last finale, add some sesame seeds, about a tablespoon.
Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed. no signs of our story so far. So far.
Before you put it away, you've got to taste it. Oh, it's spicy. Did I use a spicy gochugaru? Mom said this one is not the spicy one. She sabotaged me. Oh my god, this is spicy. This and some rice, freshly cooked rice. Has to be white rice though. This is a great menu for a potluck. If your family members doesn't like kimchi because it's stinky or it's fermented, too sour, this is perfect recipe for it. If you liked my fresh kimchi recipe, Geotjeori, please give this video a thumbs up. I'm giving you gochugaru thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes like so. And I will see you next time. Bye guys! 엄마! 저 고춧가루 지금 쓴 게 매운 거야.